Vitamin K antagonists. The name suggests that they must be going to block the vitamin K. Let us see what is the exact mechanism. Normally, vitamin K is responsible for post-synthesis modification of four clotting factors: 2, 7, 9, and 10. Now let me tell you a mnemonic to remember it. Taking you to the mathematics, when you add 2 to 7, it comes out to be 9. So you can remember it like this. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9, but not 10. Well, there is another similar mnemonic 3, 7, 9, 10 that tell us about the number of cranial nerves involved in making autonomic nervous system. You can remember both, but do not confuse. Vitamin K mnemonic start with a 2, and you can remember this from the K2, that is the second highest mountain of the world. Well, I think it would be easier now. So this vitamin K acts as a cofactor. Cofactor is just like a companion helping you to carry out any task quickly. So vitamin K acts as a cofactor for gamma-glutamyl carboxylase. Gamma-glutamyl carboxylase is an enzyme that causes carboxylation of glutamine residues of pre-clotting factors 2, 7, 9, and 10 and partially activate them. Now these clotting factors then bind to the cell membrane of platelets. Cell membrane is made up of phospholipids, so it has negative charges. Now there are negative charges on carboxylated pre-clotting factors too. So both will repel each other and the attachment to the surface will be difficult. Now here the calcium ions will play its role. Calcium ions are released by the activated platelets. Now as the ion has two positive charges, it will bind with the pre-clotting factors with one charge and the membrane with the second one, thus helping both in attachment and activation. Now going back, during the carboxylation of pre-clotting factors, the vitamin K gets reduced to vitamin K epoxide. Now this vitamin K epoxide is of no use for carboxylation process and the liver doesn't want to send it out. So what we do with the useless things that we do not want to throw out? Yes, we recycle them for reuse. Liver has adapted a recycling process too. There is an enzyme, vitamin K epoxide reductase. This enzyme converts vitamin K epoxide back to the vitamin K, and then it is reused as a cofactor by gamma-glutamyl carboxylase enzyme. Now, this is the point where vitamin K antagonists will act. Vitamin K antagonists block the vitamin K epoxide reductase enzyme, and hence they prevent the conversion of vitamin K epoxide back to the vitamin K. This decreases the vitamin K availability for gamma-glutamyl carboxylase. You know, gamma-glutamyl carboxylase is so dumb. It cannot work without vitamin K. So the carboxylation process will decrease and hence the activation of clotting factors. So that's how vitamin K antagonists decrease the clotting factors level in the blood and decrease the coagulation inside the human body.